Music is a language. It's a portal that allows you to travel through time and connect with the world's greatest composers and songwriters. And when you can understand and read the language of music, you can sit at your piano with any song and just play. I'm Lisa Witt, and I'm gonna teach you the language of music. I'll show you how to see the notes on the page and bring them to life. Forget the old methods of acronyms and flashcards that lead to frustration. I'm here to show you a different way. A way that makes reading music accessible, enjoyable, and yes, even easy. It's all in my class, Read Music in 30 Days. Over 30 days, you'll transform the way you see notes on the page. We're gonna use patterns and interval recognition to make reading music feel like second nature. And then, you know this pattern, we're going from a space down to a space, so that's a jump. By the end of our 30 days together, you'll be comfortable with time signatures, note values, as well as those sharps and flats and naturals. And no, we won't just be playing in the key of C. Because of the new starting position, it puts us in something called a minor key. This course is a different approach to reading music because you'll learn by playing with me. And this is very exciting because this is gonna show you how it's all connected. Each day, we'll play together, allowing you to get the repetition and muscle memory needed to make this feel effortless. It's a hands-on approach, literally, and it only takes 10 minutes a day. This is not just about reading music, it's about unlocking your full musical potential. You're gonna look at this and you're gonna see these patterns and you're gonna be like, oh, I know what to do. And I promise it's not only possible, it's gonna be one of the most rewarding journeys you'll ever take. So join me and enroll in Read Music in 30 Days today.